Get comfortable, close your eyes, and imagine that you are a part of this story. Take in a very deep breath and let it out slowly. As you continue to breathe deeply and calmly, think about something you do well. What do you really love to do? This is called a talent, and we all have something that we're really good at doing. Now just feel those good feelings of doing what you enjoy and continue to focus on your breathing. Feel yourself getting lighter and lighter. Take another breath and feel yourself rising up higher and higher. Take another breath and feel yourself rising up so high that it feels like you're floating. Now keep breathing calmly and fly through the sky, gliding around in the air. When you're flying like this, if you want to go to a place, all you have to do is think of it. Think about a kingdom where everybody loves your talent. It's a special place where everyone admires you so very much for your special talent. You are like the queen or king of that castle. As you approach the castle gates, you see a big banner that says, "Welcome, we love you." All of the townspeople are lined up on the side of the streets with flags and banners, and they're all cheering for you as you walk toward the gate. Everybody's shouting and saying, "You're awesome," and "You're fantastic." You realize all the people in this kingdom are kind and compassionate, and they recognize the special gifts and talents of each unique person. You walk toward the gate and go inside. A man in a funny-looking suit is standing there to greet you. "Welcome to our kingdom," he says. "We've been waiting for you." This kingdom is a place where they really love and admire people who can do all the awesome things that you can do. And since you do things so well, they think you belong here as an important part of their kingdom. All the people here love you. You are a role model and inspiration to every single person here. How does that feel knowing this? Perhaps you have a huge feeling of gratitude welling up in your heart. You can come back to this kingdom anytime you forget how helpful or smart or kind you are, and all the people here will remind you how wonderful you are. For now, it's time to go back home, but you can carry all the wonderful feelings back with you and enjoy them every day. Now, I'll tell you a secret about this kingdom of yours. The people from your kingdom, the people who think you're amazing and awesome, are actually all around you. They're scattered about the waking world, so you might have to look for them. But if you keep being awesome and looking for those special people, you'll find a lot of people around you who know the truth of how special and wonderful you truly are.